business.
Yep.
They're all in the same
It's gonna be
sizes.
Nebraska.
Corn, corn, corn.
Oh, we're not
Oh, here
all
comes
by
another
ourselves.
more corn.
Yeah.
Whoa.
More cars.
Corn. Everywhere is corn in Iowa.
The roads all to
And
ourselves.
all of them over there. Oh, dear Lord. Okay, here you go. More corn.
It's from the Field of Dreams. Is this heaven? No, this is Iowa.
More corn barns. Port Byron. Oh, these are potatoes.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. Potatoes.
I can't see clearly. We're going too fast. Wait.
Wow.
Look at that.
Look at those. These are not corn anymore. These are potatoes. Potatoes. Beautiful landscapes. Oh, that's beautiful house. Look at that. They have a big backyards.
Big backyard.
Yes, and these are
We
now.
have a bigger backyard than there.
I know you have a very big backyard, Emily.
Full of everything. We like the
Gal,
backyard.
I
Wait,
missed
do
you.
you want the black ones or the brown ones?
The black
Oh,
one.
here now is corn again.
Oh, it's so long.
We are approaching the bridge. This is a newly built bridge connecting Illinois and Iowa. So here it comes. This beautiful A design bridge. And on the right side, we're going to the Rock Island. So we are in Quad City. So we are in Quad Cities. That is
Rock Island, Moline, Bettendorf, and Davenport.
that's the Quad Cities.
Dati nung minute pala to.
Tao.
Kinukuskus na yung mga
Wash. So they do it manually for the moment. Oh, ikaw dan.
Wala na, mag-blurred na to eh.
Oh, wala na. That's it. Here comes the water.
Is your
It will be blurred.
So we are now inside the bay for the tunnel car wash, and the outside part of the car is covered with soap suds. So it's so powerful. Now they are now reaching the soap suds, and it's getting cleaner. So the next step is to brush side of the car. Ang galing niya.
You gonna be like this. You're a rich dog, girl.
Eric, no? So we are going to have a seafood for dinner, I mean. So this seafood yummy crab store in Iowa. This food looks yummy. Emily, my granddaughter, is so fond of crawfish, so she will be liking this food for tonight. So this is the inside part of the restaurant. Beautiful restaurant. Somebody's tired. Somebody's tired.
This has got a bag, 2 bags around it, okay?
It's so hot.
Big, look at that. This is our dinner.
This one? Yeah, we'll do it, buddy. 1 second.
So Emily, is this your favorite?
Bigyan mo kaya siya ng ano,
Yeah, yeah.
lobster.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, paano kaya?
Use the fork, hon. Use the knife. Do not use the knife or use the fork. You might get. That's Emily's and Leo's.
Yep.
Leo opened, Emily ate it.
And this is what we have as a leftover. And finally, our dessert. And this is also chicken wings as leftover. And also the fried rice leftover. This is what balance our food. Margarita drink. So the best thing after eating is we just fold this paper together and dump it in the garbage. Oh God, food is so good. And this is our dessert wine, margarita. They are 13.9% alcohol. That's why I can feel it.
Rest, so it means I'll have to flip it before the other one. So it's not fully seasoned yet. This side is fine, this side is still not the way I wanted it. So we're gonna leave it for a little bit more. So this has water, I'm gonna flip it. They like it when it's a little hard, not too crunchy, but so rice is just resting in the water.
Oh, you soak the rice first?
Yep, you gotta soak it for
How many
How long?
15, 30 minutes.
Okay. Ima.
Hold on.
Text Ima.
Hold on.
Yeah, oh wait.
I'm done.
So keep stirring
Yep.
until it's mushy.
And then turn it off and move it out of the heat. 6. So we pick limes that are soft, so when you squeeze them you see that they move. So yeah, these are the ones that are juicy, I guess. We're gonna put them whole, the whole lime in here, the whole fruit. So we're gonna just chop it in pieces and remove the ends. So you don't want either one of the sides. And then when you open it, you don't cut in the center, you cut on one of the sides to get the core piece to stay, because this is bitter. Well, this is more bitter than usual. So you just cut around it so that the center is out, and then you just chop it in pieces to put it in. Usually you cover so that it doesn't spray up, and then you just press it. So all you're doing, you're crushing it to get the juice out.
But the skin is bitter, no?
Yes, it's still bitter. We still have to mix afterwards. You get the lime juice out.
Oh, there you go.
So we're gonna do that to about 4 limes. And then we'll finish it off. And the center stays out.
Did you see how far that car goes?
Smells so good.
That car is so little, bigger, smaller than this, but it's fast. He goes all the way there. Super fast.
I like it. It's good.
It's better now?
Yeah.
So,
Need the ice.
who's next?
So the drink is ready.
Caipirinha? How do you spell caipirinha? Can you take the...
Wow,
So tender, Leo?
so tender. So I'm going to look at mine, and then I'm going to get my collard, my greens.
I don't know whose this is, but it was
Oh,
there.
that's mine. There you go. Okay. So I have my asparagus, my steak, my green, and my rice.
Wow.
Whoa.
Complete Brazilian food today.
Thanks, Leo.
Thanks, Leo.
Thank you.
Looking forward to another one, Leo.
Come on, Papa.
Is this will record my blood pressure?
Yep.
My blood pressure. My blood pressure. This is what I want. Blood pressure, heart rate, my breathing, my oxygen saturation will be all here.
What about your financial statements?
Oh, thank you,